Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us a compact Bluetooth speaker from Mevi, and it's the Mevi Roam 2. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you how this speaker performs. So here is the box of the Mevi Roam 2. In the front we have the picture of the speaker and the model name. And it has a 5-watt sound output, 24 hours of playback time, and it supports Bluetooth 5.0. And here we can see that the speaker is engineered and made in India. And guys, this is the first Bluetooth speaker in India which is designed and manufactured in India. So that is very good. At the back of the box we can see some key features such as this speaker offers solid bass, premium build with metallic grille. You can pair two speakers to get stereo sound. It's portable and easy to carry, water and dust proof, 24 hours of battery backup, 2000 mAh battery, and as mentioned earlier, it's proudly made in India. The MRP of this speaker is Rs 2,999. However, the launch price of the speaker is 999, which will be increased later on to 1199. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we have the documentation. This speaker comes with 1-year warranty. And here we have a note from the company. Apart from that, you get this welcome card and the user guide, which has the info about the ports and button operation. And then below it, we have the speaker itself. And guys, my first impression about this speaker that it feels premium and well built. And for the price, I'm really impressed with the quality. We will look at the speaker in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get two cables. First is the micro USB charging cable, and then we have the aux cable. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the speaker closely. Mevi Roam 2 is a compact Bluetooth speaker. Talking about the design, we have this metallic grille in the front with Mevi branding, and this gives this speaker a nice and a premium look. The body of the speaker has this rubberized texture on it, which also looks good. On the top of the speaker, we have the buttons, which are the push buttons. And here we have the power, pause and play, and the volume buttons. On the side of the speaker, we have the ports, which has this protective cover. And that is because this speaker is water and dust proof. And here we have the micro USB charging port along with the aux port. At the bottom of the speaker, we have these tiny rubber feet which will keep the speaker stable while using it at a high volume. You also get this fixed lanyard here by which you can carry this speaker around. Overall, in terms of the design and quality, I'm really impressed with this speaker, and for the price, there are no complaints here in the quality. Now let's turn on the speaker and pair it with our phone. So it's paired. Now let's test how's the sound quality. Wow, this tiny speaker definitely has some punch in it. The bass is very good and the audio quality is exceptionally good from this tiny 5-watt speaker. The sound output is clear and there are no distortions in the sound even at full volume. The best part is again the bass in the speaker. It definitely has some bass in it, and keeping in mind the pricing, I'm really happy with the sound output of the speaker. Now talking about the buttons, you have the usual pause and play and the volume controls on the top. And upon long pressing the volume buttons, you can switch between sound tracks. And guys, when you single press the power button, you can call Google Assistant or Siri. And about the battery, I've been using this speaker for a couple of days now, and I find the battery backup also very good. And I was able to get approximately 20 hours of battery backup at 60 to 70% volume. Overall, Mevi Roam 2 offers a good design and it looks premium as well. The sound output without any doubt is very good and the battery backup is also very good. And guys, if you're looking for an all-rounder mini Bluetooth speaker which offers good sound and premium build quality, then Mivy Roam 2 is a very good option at the moment. This speaker is also weatherproof and you can use it in any condition. And how can we forget that it's the first Bluetooth speaker which is made in India. So guys, if you also like this speaker and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Mivy Roam 2 Bluetooth speaker. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us your favorite feature of this speaker in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.